Incremental greetings. Today I have one very quick tip for showing the references quicker. For instance, here I need to scroll down until I get to references. Okay, this text comes from a book, it's called Free to Learn, and so on, right? Usually, you could go by Alt-C to update the knowledge tree, and you will get that. Oh, it's from books, Free to Learn, this chapter, and so on. Gotcha. Another way to do it is by summoning the ancestor window here, in case you're not using it all times on the layout. So you get my main concept, books, and so on, all the hierarchy until I get here. Gotcha. If I don't want to change the layout or press any key and so on, I can just hover here, this icon, the book, and I get the references. And I hover away and that's it. Oh, let me pick. Oh yeah, Free to Learn, gotcha. And I move on. In order to do this, you will need to select the hints. Now, if it's not enabled, you will see that it's not working. So keep in mind to always have the hints on, and now you're good to go. Another example would be an item. So that's an item that I'm hiding the references. The reason for that is because what is being closed, it's the same as the name of the article. Usually I did that. I was selecting, okay, Morpheme from Wikipedia and so on. It's quicker. I hover, okay, Morpheme. That's it. Here I have to click, select, and click away. And sometimes if I click another component, I will have to press escape multiple times and so on. So if you use the mouse with Super Memo, I think it's a lot easier to go here and sneak peek